Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Yeah, have you ever heard of American pickers picking the backwoods of America? Have you ever heard of Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of Lonnie with garage, flip garage, whatever? Have you ever heard of the Cincinnati picker? Have you ever heard of the Commonwealth picker? Have you ever heard my boy Dave, the Tesla picker from Kentucky? Well, this is Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want y'all to know that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Hey y'all, I just want to go over some of the stuff that I bought. You know, it's just a little bit. I got some of the most expensive things. I didn't bring out the little stuff. So I just probably got about 11 things that I'm going to show y'all today. And some things to watch out for. You know what I'm saying? Because that's what we do. I try to help y'all out, and sometimes y'all try to help me out. So, anyway, let's get to it. First, I want y'all to look out for these books. Some of these books are expensive. It's called Butler's Lives of the Saints. This right here's a 2000 version. I got from May. So I'm missing like. So I got I'm missing 5 of them. But I'm trying to get the whole set. You know what I'm saying? One of these selling for $25. That's all I could find was one on eBay. And it's selling for $25. Some of the older ones, one of them is selling for $120 something, $300. It depends. So when you see these books, it's the older ones, the hard copies with no cover on them, look like old encyclopedias. They worth some money. So right now, I just got the cheap ones. You know what I'm saying? But I'm trying to find the rest of them. Okay. I pay $1.50 a piece for those. And this one store I go to, they're $1.50. So I don't know why their books are so expensive. But anyway, I pay $1.50 a piece. I got 7 of them. Another thing, I got a bidet. A bidet, y'all. See how much I paid for it? $3. I paid $3 for that bidet. It's worth $59. So I paid $3 for it. I'm getting $59 for it. Look out for them bidets, y'all. Okay. This next item is called a hydro drain. I don't know what it does for sprinkler systems, your sprinkler system, whatever. It's like a timer. It's 2 of them in here. One of them is worth $45. One of them is I tested it and it won't cut off. So I'm including it in there. So I'm gonna ask about $70 for this since it's got 2 of them, and one of them don't cut off. I'm putting in the description that one of them don't cut off. Okay, I paid $2 for that. Next thing is these T-ears, whatever this is. I guess if you can't hear and you don't want to turn the TV up to disturb your partner, then you can buy it. But look, I paid $2 for that. I mean, $8. I paid up for this. But this selling for $75 to $100. So if you see these, grab them. You know what I'm saying? Another thing, I got some Vans slip-on flip-flops. Some Vans slip-on flip-flops. Yeah, they $25 a piece for a pair. Hold on a minute, y'all. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, come take a ride with me. I gotta move this trailer right quick. You guys, come on, take a ride. Come along and rock on the fantastic voyage. I'm the captain of this cruise ship. Come on, take me on a cruise, yeah. Hey, y'all, rolling with me. Gonna move this trailer. Then we're gonna go back to what I found. Okay? Just come on, take a ride. I ain't gonna even say nothing else. Just enjoy the view. Yeah. Get this trailer. Move it right quick. I don't want to talk while I'm doing this because I might mess up.
Kevin, you got a copy?
Yeah, what's going down?
Hey, Kevin, I need you to switch door 12 with door 26.
That's clear. Okay, I'm gonna put. You want me to do something else too? Let me go ahead and bag up and get this one first. Woo, that was kind of hard right there. Gotta lift it up. And sometimes I pull them out. Put that brake on. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we finna go get another trailer. Go down here and get this other trailer. Gotta move door 12. Door 12 into 26. It's door 12. 12 into 28, I mean. So we gotta move door 12 into 28. This is 28 empty. Yeah, 28 empty. So I don't have to move nothing else. Y'all riding along? Yeah, y'all riding along with the big dog. So let me move this door 12. What's going on, dude? Door 12 is an MBT trailer. Yeah, I don't know why they got me doing this, but whatever. I'm here to work. You know what I'm saying? I'm here to work. Put the bag up to this trailer. See? Sometimes you can't get up under them. They too low, so you gotta put on that gas. So put on that gas so you can get up under these trailers. Sometimes you gotta do it like that. Sometimes these trailers are so low that my back end won't get up under them. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Finished moving these trailers around. Yeah, they called me at the wrong time. You know what I'm saying? But I gotta work. You know what I mean? Okay, I paid $2 for this bicycle seat. It's a Fuji, whatever. I got it on there for $11, whatever. I don't know. I paid $2 for this GPS. Y'all need to look out for these. This GPS right here, this old Garmin, I had to clean out. It's got battery was messed up in there. So I got to clean it out. But these work between $80 and $120. These. That's without the charger. With the charger, I'm sorry. With the charger, it's worth up to $120. That's, but you can put a battery in it. And with the owner's manual. Some of them got little pouches you can put on your side. This aromatherapy. I paid $2 for it. It's got 10 aromatherapy things in there. Whatever. I paid $2 for it. It's on there for $11. These Nike Comfort sandals. Sorry, y'all. These Nike Comfort sandals right here. They like they brand new. So they're on there for $32. I paid $4 for them. Shoes are $4 at the store that I shop at. But anyway, I think that's more than 11 items, y'all. Whatever. But you know, I just want to tell y'all how beautiful it is out there. The sun's, you know, the sun going down. See how beautiful it is out here. And I'm just walking around, you know what I'm saying? Just walking around out here, enjoying the fresh air without my mask. But anyway, you all stay safe. If you like this video, thumbs up. If you don't like it, thumbs down, whatever. just subscribe. You know what I mean? Oh, I forgot to bring. You know what I forgot? Remember I told y'all every week I was gonna put something on there that I make a video about what I won't sell and what one of my prized possessions and stuff. I forgot to bring one this week. But anyway, I'll bring one next week. You know what I'm saying? Just subscribe. You know what I mean? Subscribe. You know, I gotta get my subscription up. You know what I mean? But anyway, y'all take it easy, be safe, put your mask on, and I'll see y'all later. You know what I mean? And I just want y'all to know that we picking in the hood too. Yeah. Peace.